Marriage is more than a celebration or a ceremony. It's a promise to stand together through life's joys, challenges, to grow together, to support one another with patience, respect, and kindness.
I want to thank everyone for being here to celebrate these two very bright stars in the endless sky that we love so much. Their love is truly effortless. Their passion for one another is boundless. Their bond is truly timeless. I wish them endless love, unwavering peace, and a marriage that never knows a dull moment.
In all seriousness, Tyler, thank you for being so loving. Thank you for loving Stephanie the way she's always deserved to be loved. Thank you for being patient and kind, funny, and a little weird with all your stupid, never-ending movie quotes.
Stephanie, my pretty lady with the hair. I really just want to tell you thank you. You invited me into your life, into your home. I am. It allowed me to build a family with you, Miguel, and Lady Cat too. I can love you for the rest of my life, and you will be the only person I ever love. I will do everything for you to make you happy, to help Miguel, and to give you the life you truly deserve. I love you.
You also didn't just fall in love with me. You chose to step into being a father figure for Miguel. Not just because you had to, but because you wanted to. You make me better, not by changing me, but by loving me exactly as I am. And I promise that no matter how busy life gets, you'll always be my baby. I love you, and I cannot wait to be your wife.
By the power invested in me by the great state of Florida, it is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
My son? Come here. Welcome.
I love you too, baby. Have a good.
Love you.
That's my time. Thank you.
I wish you guys both a lifetime of happiness, love, laughter, and so many more margaritas. So everyone please raise a glass to Tyler and Stephanie.